What's going on YouTube? My name is Darnell and today I got a special treat for you guys. The soda stream machine. Now this thing does exactly like it sounds. It makes soda. So who doesn't like soda? I mean, I love it. Also too, it makes sparkling water. I'm not really a fan of that, but I know a lot of you guys out there are. So today that's exactly what we're gonna do. Before we do that, when you do buy this machine, they have several different ones, but basically the one that I have, it comes with the machine here, and then it comes with the reusable bottle. So when you do make soda or whatever sparkling water, you can store it in here and put it in the refrigerator or whatever you want to do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with making soda, wine soda at that. So I'm gonna open this up here, and there's a fill line right there. You want to fill that fluid up to the fill line right there, and I'll show you what to do after that. Now it's a little difficult for me to see the fill line. Okay, there it is. I see. Bam! Okay, so we're good to go there. Now, from there, you're gonna put it in there, you're gonna push it back, and it's gonna grab itself. It's gonna sit down right there. So basically, there's a button up here that you're gonna press 3 to 5 times, 2 seconds each time. So let's go ahead and get that going. So that's 1. That's 2. And 3. Now as you can see, it's fizzing up, which looks crazy. That's incredible watching it. But we're going to give it a few seconds, because if I try to take it off, it might squirt out. I don't want to waste my soda, so my Hawaiian soda. So we'll give it a second to fizz down. It's just like if you shake up a soda, a canned soda, and you open it up, it's gonna squirt everywhere. So that's basically what that is. So I think it's about to calm down. So there we go. So from there, we're gonna pour it into our drink with ice. Wow. Does that not look good? That not look delicious? I know what you might be thinking, but I know what I'm thinking. I'm going to drink some of this. If you like this soda stream machine here, I will leave a link down in the description of my Amazon affiliate link, and you can go on there and you can purchase it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.